Hey, it's Shelley from Best Buy blog. I've been testing out the Rabbit Air A3 Smart Air Purifier. You can find this air purifier right now by clicking on the link in the description below and heading over to Best Buy. The Rabbit Air A3 is a very sleek looking air purifier. As you can see, it has built-in lights and it can purify the air in up to 1,000 square feet. It also has a 6-stage filtration system and can connect to an app via Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. I absolutely love the design of this air purifier. It has a panel and the touchscreen will disappear when it's not in use. Everything you can control on the touchscreen can also be controlled via the Rabbit Air app. Here's just a look at what was in the box when I unboxed it. I think it's pretty great that this air purifier has a wall mount. That's not something that you see in most air purifiers, and it's really cool that you can hang it on your wall and get it out of the way. That being said, it's actually very thin and very light, so if you just want to tuck it into a corner, you can do that too. All of the filters are already installed in the Rabbit Air A3, so you just have to pull the packaging off and plug it in, and it will start to work. Here's a look at the filters in the Rabbit Air A3. So there are 6 filters in total, and one of them is washable. To open the Rabbit Air 3, you just pop open the front compartment and then you can take a look at the air filters. You can see that the air filters include a pre-filter, a medium filter, a HEPA filter, an odor remover, a customized filter, and then a charcoal-based activated carbon filter. And all of these filters work together to remove the odors from your room as well as pet dander. It can even improve your home's PM 2.5 air quality by 99.4%. That's pretty impressive. It'll even pick up bacteria and viruses. So if you have an illness running through your home, just turn on your Rabbit Air A3 and you can purify your air. What I noticed the most when I was using this air purifier is how quickly it could clean odors, as well as how fresh and clean the air smelled when we were sitting near it. It was almost like an air conditioner. It was a blast of ice cold, very pure air, and it worked really quickly. So if I would turn it on after I was cooking in the kitchen, within 20 minutes, I could not detect any sort of garlic or onions or anything, and I let it run 24/7 for 2 solid weeks because it was just so refreshing to have it on. The Rabbit Air A3 is also ultra quiet, so you can barely hear it running. Here's what it sounds like. There are a host of features you can use when you use the Rabbit Air app, and it will connect instantly to the app. I didn't have any trouble connecting to it at all. You can turn the lights to different colors when you're using the app, and you can also dim them for night use. What I really love about the app is how you can turn the fan speed on, or you can see air quality. And this machine will actually adjust the fan output depending on what it picks up in your air. So if it does notice heavy smoke in your kitchen, it will increase the fan speed slightly, and it will notice that you have poor air quality, and it will work until it is clear. The filters on the Rabbit Air A3 should last about 12 months, but you can wash the pre-filter, so you always have the option to do that. I also like how this air purifier will emit negative ions, and all you have to do is turn it on within the app, and it will send those negative ions out. And if you don't know what negative ions are, they are the molecules in the air that you would breathe when you're outside in the great outdoors, so around waterfalls or out with trees, and it's just a mood boosting molecule, so it's nice to have that option to turn it on. The app also has a scheduling system, so you can set it to a schedule, or you can have a timer where it'll turn off after a certain period of time. Most HEPA filters will remove 99.7% of the dander and pollutants in your home's air, but the Rabbit Air A3 goes 5 steps further, and with all of the extra filters, you know that the air in your home is going to be crystal clean. My husband does have a cat allergy, and while I was running this air purifier, he said that he found that he had less congestion as well, so it really does pick up everything. I've only been running the Rabbit Air A3 for a few weeks, but I'm really impressed with the improvement in the air quality in our house. I also love the design of this air purifier, and I absolutely love the mood lighting. You can tuck it in a corner and it looks great. You can find your own Rabbit Air A3 by clicking on the link in the description below and heading over to Best Buy. You can also see my written review as well as other photos at Best Buy blog. Thanks for watching.